Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, thanks for always coming back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to change the background of your video in Capcut. This is very useful if you want to create a realistic background for your YouTube videos. You want to give a different look to your YouTube studios and you don't want to spend so much money in updating your studio to make it look good. This is a quick way for you to essentially put yourself in a different location. To do this, you need to have two videos. One video would be the one which you would want to replace the background for, and the other video would be the background video. So let's dive right in. And if you don't already have the new background you'd want, so you basically have to go to pixels.com on your computer and just search for any inspiration you want. So in this case, I'm using the living room just because I want to use a living room, but you can choose like a beige or choose any other any kind of background you would want to change to, and then you just look for the video you want and then essentially download that. So I'm probably gonna download this background. So once you have the background downloaded onto your computer, the next step for you is to go into Capcut and drive the downloaded background onto your Capcut application. So as you can see, we have it in here. Now, the next step is a very important one. So what you have to do is you drive the new background into the first timeline frame here, and then you drag the video with which you want to remove the background for onto the second timeline frame here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to remove the background for your old video, and I have a tutorial on how to remove the background of the video. I would link it I'll link it in the description below, or I'll link it somewhere up here so that you can go watch it. Essentially, you're going to remove the background for this video which you want to change the background for. So I'm just going to click on it, then navigate to the top right corner of the Capcut application, and then I'm going to click on video and then navigate to remove background. Click on auto removal. And as you can see, the background for the video has been removed. So at this point, what you just want to do is you just want to position those carefully so that it looks a lot more realistic. So as you can see, the background has been removed, the background has been replaced, and yeah, it looks like he's sitting in their living room trying money. That's because you have a lot of money. This is a quick way for you to essentially put yourself in a different location. Okay, that is it for today's video. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Should want to change the background of a photo as well, then I have a tutorial which I'll be leaving on the screen so that you can go watch it. See you in the next one.